Imagine entertaining guests on your private panoramic view roof deck with stunning views of the San Francisco iconic skyline and the bay. We're standing on top of a 500 square foot private deck on top of a full floor flat in the center of Nob Hill. Right behind me is the entire San Francisco Bay, the Kuwait Tower, and the Transamerica building. Welcome to 1049 Clay Street. This elegant full-floor condominium blends traditional aesthetics with a modern vibe and offers a flexible floor plan with 3 bedrooms or a separate family room. This spacious light-filled unit is located in a walkable part of the fabulous Nob Hill and features enchanting period details while being updated with the convenience of all modern upgrades. The expansive chef's kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances flows into the dining room, making it easy to host a friendly gathering of all sizes. The top-floor 3-bedroom residence features sizable rooms, hardwood floors, high ceilings, and spacious closets. This upper condo is located in a well-maintained 2-unit building with 1-car parking in a seismically upgraded garage and features an in-unit washer-dryer as well as one of the lowest HOA dues in the neighborhood. This elegant property in Nob Hill is the perfect place to call home. You're right in the middle of it all. The central subway just a few blocks away, the rumblings of the cable car nearby, and a multitude of restaurants, cafes, grocery stores, and parks near your home. Don't miss the opportunity to own a truly unique and luxurious property with a private roof deck in one of the San Francisco's most desirable neighborhoods, the Nob Hill.